World Bank resumes the parallel proceedings on the Indus Water Treaty. Pakistan and India continue to be at loggerheads on the ongoing construction of dams in the Indian-held Kashmir. Pakistan and India have different positions towards multiple dams being constructed mostly by India in the disputed territory of Kashmir. Pakistan in 2010 requested the setup of Court of Arbitration on the Kishanganga Dam in 2010, where in 2013 the court awarded the decision permitting the diversion of water, however, directing India to maintain the flow up to 9 cubic meters per second. While the proceeding on the matter has been put on hold, World Bank's role as a signatory to the treaty is limited and procedural in relation to either differences or disputes. World Bank's role is restricted to designation of the individuals to fulfill their roles, either as neutral expert or referral by the Global Bank to a 7-member arbitrary tribunal court of arbitration. Now, technically, in case of differences, the two sides may approach a neutral expert, while if there is a dispute on a certain question, both sides may approach a court of arbitration. Now, to foster cooperation on the Indus Water Treaty, the treaty has in place the permanent Indus Commission, with a commissioner representing each country. Pakistan considering the construction of the Kishanganga Dam and the Ratul hydroelectric power plant a dispute for the matter to be arbitrated by Court of Arbitration, whereas India, treating this as a difference, has asked for the referral to a neutral expert. Kishanganga Dam is being constructed on a tributary of the Jhelum River, whereas Ratul on River Chenab. Now, World Bank, in a bid to rescue the treaty, has set up parallel proceedings of the neutral expert, as well as the ongoing proceeding in the Court of Arbitration. India has boycotted these proceedings, ongoing in The Hague on January 25th at the Court of Arbitration. It has also sent out a notion asking for radical changes in the Indus Water Treaty by barring of third parties from intervening in the disputes. At present, the third parties involved in resolving either differences or disputes is either a neutral expert or the Court of Arbitration. India has asked Pakistan to initiate talks to modify the treaty to this effect, and Pakistan has said that the treaty cannot be modified unilaterally. The World Bank had said in 2016 the two separate approaches to resolving the water issue risked producing contradictory outcomes. It had earlier also warned that it will create legal and practical risks. Setup of parallel proceedings by the World Bank can create serious legal quandary, as the differences in outcome will entrench each side for enforcement of their respective version, simmering a new crisis to a boiling point. This can become further serious, especially in absence of resort to a third party to reconcile such a difference. At present, also prolonging such a situation can lead to a possible confrontation. Unless both the sides come to some of the form of conclusion in the question of differences or dispute, experts have previously warned of the disputed territory of Kashmir and the waters flowing from there being a cause of a future crisis and a flashpoint for India and Pakistan. I'm Tayabba, and this was your Daily Dispatch.